Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to plugins and then figure out plugins for manage instructions into your global. So yeah, global, and then we go there it is. Right, wait, how do I get him running again? Why is he here though? So how do I get him to run? No. Manage pets. But I can't move him around. Interesting, I can't move him around though. That makes no sense. So I'm a big fan of Tamagotchi. Interesting story. I used to have a Tamagotchi when I was a kid, and I got it when I ended up in the hospital. My mother gave it to me, and long story short, I lost it. It fell in the toilet, and I somehow panicked and flushed it. But it doesn't matter. I actually wanted to have my own Tamagotchi for quite some time and build my own. And then recently, I saw there was a post on the dev board that somebody released OpenPets, and I tried it on Linux, and it's just not working. I tried it inside of Obsidian, it's not working. I tried it inside of OpenCode as a plugin, it doesn't work. I tried running it, natively in Ubuntu, it didn't work either. As you've seen, I mean, it shows up, but that's it. It's pretty much static. It does nothing. There's no movements. There's nothing. So I did leave a issue and a comment in the GitHub repository. I don't know. Let's hope the dev is gonna fix it. So I mean, maybe this is the call that I've been looking for to actually finally build my own Tamagotchi, but the one that's actually live, dynamic, and interactive, just like the paperclip back in the day. And it would be cool to, plug in an LLM that would allow it to at least read what's happening on your screen and, communicate with you. I think that'd be a really cool one.